Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat crashing. If Snapchat is crashing on your device, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, you need to restart your Snapchat app, open your Snapchat and simply clear it out. Sometimes simply restarting the Snapchat app can resolve crashing issues and close the app completely and then reopen it to see if the problem still persists. Or you could also simply restart your device. A common fix for various app issues is to restart your device. This can help clear temporary glitches and free up system resources that might be causing Snapchat to crash. And clear temporary glitches and free up system resources that might be causing. Or you could go to your Play Store, look out for the Snapchat app, check for the updates, and ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Go to your App Store or Play Store and check for any available updates for Snapchat. Or you could simply uninstall your Snapchat app and reinstall it back again. If none of the above steps work, you could try that. And this can often fix persistent crashing issues by restoring the app to its default setting. Just make sure to log in with your correct credentials after reinstalling the app. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most crashing issues with Snapchat. If the problem persists, consider seeking help from Snapchat support or looking for community forums. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.